Yo, 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 this is Luke of the Lego Boy, back in the house. We are doing a review, finally. And we are doing a Ninjago review. Set 9445, ages 8 to 14. Now, I absolutely love this set. It comes with Phantom, Zane and his ice speeder, which is the last one I need, and Jay, which I've already got, and I've also got Zane, but I needed shurikens as well, so that's handy. We have the car. It says its mouth can open that far, but it really can't open that far. But anyway, here we have the characters: Jay, ZX, Zane, ZX, Fangdam, and Phantom with the golden staff. Anyway, let's have a look at the back. We have Jay ZX, Zane ZX, and Fangdam, all with their pictures here. Ninjago, Zane jumping off of his ice speeder, Jay and Fangdam fighting over who gets the stuff. Got special wheels. Got flicking tail, opening mouth, which does happen. Wait, no, sorry, that's not flicking tail. That's suspension. It's got suspension. Okay, yeah. Anyway, well, you get 2 instruction manuals with this. They're exactly the same, except one's got 1 and one's got 2. On the back, they've got different things. So, yeah, that's enough on them, because they're not exactly important. Now, onto the main set itself. Dun 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 dun! You have me for this part. Yay! So, onto the minifigures. You can see my hamster just there. Here. Yeah. We have Phantom, the leader of the Fangpyres. 2 heads with the white back. Everybody should look out for that. And the normal eye, elongated eye. It's weird. Well, widened eye. Fangpyre staff. Okay, that's about it for him. We have Jay, Ninja of Lightning. He is awesome. Sorry, my hamster just there gnawing on the bars. But yeah, he is cool. He's got a silver sword. Element lightning. It's cool. We have... Sorry. Ooh. Sorry. Tail isn't going away. We have Fangdam, warrior level, just like Phantom, except it's got black bits here, white, and white arms. And it hasn't got the elongated eye. It's got normal eyes. And it's not a printing mistake, because everybody who I've seen has the same sort of thing happening. We have Zane, ZX, with his 2 golden shurikens. It comes with 3, but it's a spare. Element of ice. But he's awesome. Shuriken in your face. That's it for the minifigures. Now, I'm just going to put them where they belong, and then I shall be ready for the next part. Right, onto the mini here, Zane's little ice thing. I might be able to show you how smoothly it rolls. Can you see that? It's on the box. Wait, hold on. Sorry, it's not very smooth. There we go. See? It's cool. It has grills on the side, special golden detail, translucent pieces from the ice dragon that I'm really trying to get. Translucent. They're really, really nice. Got stickers on here. They're the only stickers I used because, well, the snake doesn't exactly need the stickers. It's just fine without them. Leave in the comments below. Do you think that the snake truck looks okay without the stickers? Speaking of which, time to bring on the main attraction. The Fangpyre truck. It's big. The cockpit opens and closes to reveal Fangdam. Let's just put them in there. The mouth opens and closes. It can't open as much as it says on the box, because on the box it has it like out here, or at least out here. And it can't be like that. It's like this, or it's like this, completely shut. Got a licking tail. It's been slapping me in the face a few times. Alright, we have the things on the wheels. The back wheels are joined. Whee! Yeah. Got purple things here. Exhaust things. A hamster gnawing away. Wapow! Wapow! Look, it's got no stickers. Thanks to me. Moo moo ha ha ha. Do you think I'm a... No, in the comments below, do you think I'm weird when it comes to Lego? And facial expressions. Okay, yeah. Flicking tail, I put it on like this. It's cool. Well, it's got a hidden bomb. It's hard to reach. Aha! Hidden bomb. No longer hidden because you guys know where it is. Don't tell your friends. Tell your friends about this video, but fine. Tell your friends about this video. Make them subscribe. Make them tell their friends to subscribe. Tell my hamster to subscribe. She's subscribed. In mind. Well, that just about wraps this whole little review up. Please subscribe, like, favourite and comment. This is Luke of the Lego Boy, signing out.